Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to record audio of both computer and microphone without using any third-party app in Windows 11 PC. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just click on your Windows Start menu icon and just search for sniping tool. On the first list you'll see the application. Just click on it. Now just select this option and now click on this new. And now select the respective area. Say I want to select the entire screen. And now you will see here on the above mute system audio. So right now the system audio is being enabled. So if you click on it, then if you see this diagonally line appearing, that means this is muted. So if you click on it, then it will be unmute, and now you can record the system audio. And if your external microphone is being connected, then just unmute this microphone if you want the external microphone audio to be recorded. So right now I want both the system audio as well as the external microphone audio to be recorded. So now once you have enabled both this audio recording options, now you can just click on start, and now you can keep talking using your external microphone. And if you play any sounds on your respective computer, then this sound will also be recorded using this snipping tool. So once you're done, you can just click on this stop recording. Then both the audio of your respective computer as well as your microphone will be recorded using this snipping tool. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily record audio of both computer and microphone without using any third-party app in Windows 11 PC very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.